In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp for CRM. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a simple, organized place to capture leads, view your pipeline, and report on what matters, all inside ClickUp. We'll go step by step, and I'll add helpful context along the way, so you understand not just what to click, but why it matters for a clean, usable CRM. Start by opening your browser and heading to clickup.com. On the top right, click Login, sign in with your account, and continue to your workspace. Once you're in, make sure you're working inside the workspace you want to use for your CRM. A workspace is essentially your company or team's home base, and setting up your CRM here ensures everyone who needs access can find it in one consistent location. On the left sidebar, find Spaces. This area is where you organize big categories of work. Click the plus sign beside Spaces to create a new space dedicated to your customer relationship management. Give it a clear name like CRM, or use a name that makes sense for your team's structure. You can add a short description if you want. Something that explains the purpose of this space, like Central Hub for leads and sales activities. Descriptions are optional, but they help teammates quickly understand how to use the space. When you're ready, click Continue and finish by choosing Create Space. You've just made the home for your CRM inside ClickUp. Now, let's build the first list you'll need. Inside your new CRM space, click the button labeled Plus New List. Name this list Leads, then click Create List. This list will store individual lead entries, and each one will be a task in ClickUp, which makes it easy to track progress, assign responsibility, and keep everything searchable. Open the leads list so we can add the fields that make your CRM useful. In the top right corner, click plus Add Column. You'll be adding a few custom fields to capture the most important lead information. Start with a text field and name it Company Name. This lets you capture the organization each contact belongs to, which is especially helpful when you're working multiple stakeholders from the same company. Next, add a phone field and label it Contact Number. That keeps calling details standardized and easy to access. Then add an email field and name it Email Address. With these fields in place, you'll have the essentials ready for fast reference and consistent data entry. With your structure set, begin adding your contacts and leads. Each lead can be a task inside the leads list. Use the task name for the contact's name to make searching simple. Then fill in the fields you just created, so everything is tidy and consistent. The clearer your data entry is now, the more powerful your views and reporting will be later. As you add leads, think about ownership and next steps. Assign the lead to the right person and use due dates to keep momentum. Even simple habits like updating contact details immediately and keeping notes within the task can save time and prevent lost information down the line. Once you've added some leads, it's time to view your pipeline from different angles. Start with Board View, also known as a Kanban-style layout. This view organizes tasks into columns, typically aligned with stages of your process. It's great for scanning your pipeline at a glance and for moving leads forward as you work. You can drag and drop leads between columns as their status changes, making it an intuitive way to keep your pipeline flowing without digging into individual tasks each time. Switch over to Table View when you need a spreadsheet-like layout. This view shows all your leads with the columns you added, which makes sorting and filtering fast and powerful. You can quickly sort by company name, scan for missing details, or focus on a priority segment. Table View is ideal for regular data hygiene, list reviews, and preparing quick exports or summaries of current prospects. Because it displays your custom fields side by side, it's one of the most efficient ways to manage many leads at once. Next, open Calendar View to keep on top of timing-sensitive work. Calendar is perfect for tracking follow-ups and deadlines, especially when you're using a next follow-up date field in your tasks. Seeing those dates on a calendar helps you balance workload, avoid missed touch points, and plan outreach in a rhythm that fits your sales cycle. As you work through the week, you can click into items directly from the calendar to adjust timing, add notes, or mark progress. When you're ready to step back and see the big picture, use dashboards for reporting. Click Dashboards and then plus New Dashboard to create a central place for high-level insights. Add a pipeline overview card to visualize your pipeline grouped by lead status. This shows how many leads sit in each part of your process, so you can spot bottlenecks and rebalance effort where needed. Add a Deals by Value card to sum the deal value field across your pipeline. This gives a quick read on potential revenue and helps you prioritize efforts toward higher impact opportunities. Finally, add an upcoming follow-ups card to spotlight tasks that are due soon. This view keeps daily action items front and center, so nothing slips through the cracks. As you start using the CRM setup, consistency is your best friend. Enter information the same way each time. Review the table view regularly to catch incomplete details, and make a habit of moving leads through your board view as they progress. The calendar will keep your timing tight, and the dashboard will keep your decisions focused on what matters most. Over time, these simple practices turn a basic structure into a reliable source of truth for your sales activity. That's it for this guided setup. You now have a streamlined ClickUp space for leads, the core fields you need for clean tracking, flexible views for daily management, and a dashboard to keep you informed. Please let us know in the comments what you think of the video and if there's anything we can do to improve it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. It really helps support the channel.